Welcome to my channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video tutorial, you'll be learning how to create a birthday flyer using PixelLab. So let's begin. You open your PixelLab, click on the three dots at the top, click on image size, then type in the image size. The next step is to bring in the background image. Then click on shape 2, then click on import to bring in the background image. Now you lock it. When you are done, click on layer 2, then click on the padlock icon to lock it. Now the next step is to create our overlay. Click on shape 2, then click on shapes to draw our overlay. Then give it color, as you can see. Then give it opacity. When you mark it, then scroll, go to opacity, then give it opacity, then place it very well. Now let us set up our grid so as to help us to position our images and our elements. So click on that is the grid icon there. Click on grid and click on grid setting. As you can see, that's the grid setting. Then the numbering of the grid, that's it over there. Click on it, then you type in 15 by 15. Now we are going to draw the first shape. When you click on the screen, then click on shapes to draw the first shape. Now, with the help of the grid, we have positioned the first shape very well. Then click on layer to lock it, then bring it down to the back of the overlay. As you can see, now that's good. That's good. We are getting there. We are just starting. So arrange it very well. Now let us bring the first image. You click on import to bring in the first image. Now let us use the grid to position our image. As you can see, it's number 15, so sometimes you have to reset the numbering again whenever you bring in an image or element. So as you can see, so we have to place it very well with the help of the grid for the positioning. So this is perfect. So click on the layer to then lock it. Now let us bring in the other image. Click on import. Now I click on the padlock icon to lock it as well, as you can see. So this is good. Now let's create our gradients. Our fading gradients, click on shapes, then scroll down, click on gradients. So I have one done already. So if you want to know how I did this, click on plus icon, then click on color fill. So let me show you. This is it, that's it. color fill, click on it, then click on the pencil icon at the top here to get the color code. So when you click on that, as you can see, 5820 by 1. So then the other side, click on it too, then click on color fill, then the pencil icon, 255, everything. So if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to create a fading gradient effect, you can check the top of your screen right now, or check the description below for the tutorial on how to create a fading gradient effect. So let's continue. So now you've created the gradient effect. Now let's copy and paste that. Click on the layer tool, lock it, then click on the option, then copy and paste. As you can see, you place it again, then you do that again and again. So as you can see, let me remove the grid. Wow, as you can see, you're almost getting there. Wow, look at the image, it's so beautiful, lovely. So let us continue. So we have to do the next things to bring in the third image. Click on import to bring in the third image. So now we have to move the image around, like turn it around. So we have to go to 3D rotate. So the y-axis, you move it like this. Wow, that's good, lovely. So arrange it very well using the grid to position the image very well. So now as you can see, we have 3 segments in the design. So let me show you the 3 segments. Space, we have this one, first one for the image there, the second one for the space for the upper image, and then the third one, that's it. So this is what we type our happy birthday and other elements. So let's continue. This is the first one. Let me show you the first one, the second one. Now this is the third space for our design. So let's continue. Now we bring in the element, click on import for the happy birthday. As I said earlier on, with the help of the grid, we will help you to position your elements, images, your words, everything very well and neat. Now let's type the name of the celebrant. Click on the A icon. When you click on the A icon, the plus icon, then the pencil icon to type in the name. Now let us move to the other one, that is the other words. I've copied that already, so click on the plus icon, then the pencil icon to paste the words. Now let us draw the shape, that is the shape like a ring. Reduce the opacity to 0, then increase the stroke width to draw the ring style of image. Now let us bring in the flowers to edit them. Now the months and the dates. Wow, so lovely. So now let's bring in the last element, that is the flower. So this is not compulsory, but you just have to be creative just to make it look good. So lovely, amazing. Look at design, so good, lovely, beautiful. So if you want to save this lovely image, just click on this guy at the top there, as you can see. Click on save as image, or that's if you want to save as a project, then give it name, then save as image. Click on ultra, then click on save to gallery. Loading. Wow, this is how to create a birthday flyer with your phone using PixelLab. If you are still watching this video tutorial and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now and click on the bell icon for you to get all notifications anytime I upload a video like this. Kindly drop your comment in the comment section below concerning this video tutorial, and also do well to like and share this video across your socials to your loved ones, your family and to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.